How do you explain the Bible suggesting that the earth is round and covered with a thin protective layer? That is still nothing compared to what the Bible says without a stutter, that the earth is suspended in empty space. And the visible matter is made out of invisible matter, which we know as elementary particles. We also learn about the first law of thermodynamics in the cosmological context. The Bible says that the universe was fully completed in the act of creation, which is nothing else but telling us the amount of energy and matter in the universe is constant. And let's not forget about the second law of thermodynamics, which says that entropy always increases. The Bible clearly says that the celestial objects and earth will wear out and eventually perish,